for Terror Tech. In the red corner, the Mach Tech powered Maw Wicked Challenger.
Johnny Turbo in the flesh. Well, just how much of you is flesh these days? No, don't tell me. I've got a way of finding out. You call yourself a street cleaner? Let's see you clean this up. Your bones may be made of metal, but you'll still break like the weak human that you are. Now there's the Johnny Turbo I've heard so much about. Bleed for me.
Things are heating up here in the arena. Woo-hoo! The box is going to close!
Mark my words. When I return, I'm gonna tear your heart